This is Science Mentor. In this lesson, you will learn how to insert a checklist in Excel and use its results in formulas. A checkbox, also referred to as a tick box or checkmark box or section box, is a little square box where you click to select or deselect a given option. Inserting a checkbox in Excel sounds like a trivial thing, but it opens up a host of new possibilities for your worksheets that will keep you on track with your goals, schedules, assignments, etc. To insert a checkbox in Excel, execute these steps. On the Developer tab in the Controls group, click Insert and select Checkbox under Form Controls. To properly position the checkbox, hover your mouse over it, and as soon as the cursor changes to a four-pointed arrow, drag the checkbox where you want it. Remove the text checkbox 1. Your first Excel checkbox is ready, and you just have to copy it to other cells. Also, the checkboxes are inserted, and you can now check or uncheck them by simply clicking on a box. Microsoft Excel is not able to respond to these changes because no cell is linked to any of the checkboxes yet. As already mentioned, to be able to capture the checkbox state, you need to associate the checkbox with a certain cell. Right-click the checkbox and then click Format Control. In the Format Control dialog box, switch to the Control tab, click in the Cell Link box, and select an empty cell on the sheet to which you want to link to the checkbox, or type the cell reference manually. For example, I choose E1 for the first checkbox. Repeat the step for other checkboxes. Insert a countif function to count the number of items packed. I use true for attendees and false for absentees. Finally, you can see the result. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.